Welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to study about the mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. There are various theories explaining the opening and closing mechanism of stomata. The most recent and accepted is potassium ion concentration theory. In the presence of light, the adenosine triphosphate ATP is produced in the gut cell is used to pump potassium ion into the gut cell. The increased potassium ion concentration in the gut cell makes them hypotonic, and water enters into gut cells through osmosis and become turgid, which leads to opening of the stomata. During night, the potassium ions as well as water is leaked out to the surrounding cell and gut cells become flaccid. Thus, the stomata closes. The stomata the anyway open close through open close पे हो तो गाने पे. Thank you and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.